Get ready. You might get a little dizzy during this one. These aren't just buildings, they're engineering flexes, national symbols, and in some cases, unfinished dreams still climbing toward the sky. Today, we're counting down the top 10 tallest buildings on Earth, plus one unbuilt giant that would make everything on this list look small. Let's climb. Number 10, Atai, Guangzhou and Tianjin CTF Finance Centers, China. We're starting with Atai. Both the Guangzhou CTF Finance Center and the Tianjin CTF Finance Center stand at exactly 1,139 feet. The Guangzhou Tower, completed in 2016, has 111 floors above ground and 5 more below, and somehow hides an entire shopping center inside itself, alongside offices, apartments, restaurants, and luxury hotels up top. Its twin in Tianjin, completed in 2019, hides 8 mega columns inside its structure, giving it unmatched anti-seismic resistance. Even its odd curved shape isn't just for looks, it's engineered to cut wind resistance. Number 9, One World Trade Center, New York, USA. At 1,176 feet, a height chosen deliberately, this is the tallest building in the United States, standing just meters from where the original Twin Towers once stood. A decade after the attacks in 2011, this tower was already fully erected, a statement that the American spirit rises. Building it cost $3.9 billion, and it wasn't just designed to house offices and hotels. It was built like a fortress, with explosion-proof glass, steel panels, and filtration systems to counter chemical attacks. Number 8, Lotte World Tower, Seoul, South Korea. It took 13 years just to get the building permit. Why? Because Lotte World Tower was set to become the first skyscraper in South Korea, with over 100 floors, 123 to be exact, reaching 1,824 feet. Promised for 2016, it was finally completed in 2017. That delay didn't stop it from becoming a New Year's Eve icon, hosting LED light countdowns since 2016, and a 7-minute fireworks show in 2017. It also held the spotlight during the 2018 Pyeongchang Winter Olympics, and structurally, it can withstand a magnitude 9 earthquake and 80-meter-per-second winds. Number 7, Golden Finance 117, Tianjin, China. Not every megastructure reaches the finish line. Construction on Golden Finance 117 began in 2008, aiming for a 2014 completion. Then the Great Recession hit and the project stalled in 2010. Work resumed in 2011, and by 2015, the structure had reached 1,157 feet. But in April 2022, construction stopped again, and the company fired its entire workforce. Today, it stands empty and unfinished. Its only visitors have been urban explorers, a Russian and a Chinese explorer, snuck in back in 2015, and in 2016, 2 more filmed an exploration video that's racked up nearly 1 million views. Number 6, Ping An Finance Center, Shenzhen, China. Shenzhen's Ping An Finance Center can literally paint the night sky. Its LED system fires beams of light designed not to blind onlookers below. Standing 1,966 feet tall, it houses offices, hotels, shops, and its own shopping center. In 2013, controversy hit when the concrete used was suspected of corroding the steel structure, but it was later cleared as safe. And the tower was completed in 2017, with 115 floors and elevators that are remarkably 2 stories tall. Naturally, it's also been climbed. A photographer named Kiawi scaled it mid-construction back in 2015. Number 5, Burj Al Bait, Mecca, Saudi Arabia. If you're standing inside a Burj Al Bait, you get a direct view of the Kaaba, Islam's holiest site. Completed in 2012, this 1,972-foot megastructure houses a 5-star hotel, 2 massive prayer halls with room for 10,000 people, its own shopping center, and parking for over 1,000 vehicles. But its real claim to fame is its clock, the largest in the world. With faces 141 feet in diameter, ringed by 2 million LED lights, its needle-like spire rises 75 feet higher still, and even hides an extra prayer space inside. Number 4, Shanghai Tower, Shanghai, China. Yes, it really does look twisted, and that's the point. Shanghai Tower's spiral shape cuts wind impact by up to 24%. Completed in 2015, its 2,073-foot height makes it the tallest building in all of China. It's also considered one of the most eco-friendly skyscrapers on the planet. It collects rainwater, recycles wastewater, generates 10% of its own electricity through built-in wind turbines, and uses smart exterior windows that regulate temperature. To cut down on air conditioning, add in multiple internal gardens, and it's less a building, more a vertical ecosystem. Number 3. Merdeka 118, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Everything around Merdeka 118 looks like a toothpick. At 2,227 feet, it towers over Kuala Lumpur. Its name literally means independence in honor of Malaysia's 1957 independence, and its pointed spire design echoes the raised arm pose of Malaysia's first prime minister as he declared Merdeka to the crowd. From the top, on a clear day, you can look down at both the Merdeka Stadium and the Negara Stadium below. Number 2. Burj Khalifa, Dubai, UAE. Designed by architect Adrian Smith and completed in 2010, Burj Khalifa is the current Guinness World Record holder for tallest building on Earth, standing 2,716 feet tall. It's not just huge, it's luxurious, packed with first-class offices, apartments, restaurants, and hotels, all overlooking the Dubai Fountain's water and light shows. Keeping a structure this massive running takes serious engineering. Every 30 floors houses a mechanical level to manage power and systems, and every 25 floors has a pressurized safe room for emergencies. It's also built to withstand earthquakes. Before we crown our winner, 2 quick honorable mentions that never left the drawing board. In 1997, Japan proposed the Exceed 4000, an unbuilt concept standing an almost unthinkable 13,112 feet tall, designed more like a vertical city than a single building. And before that, in 1992, Tokyo dreamed even bigger with a concept for a tower, reaching 32,808 feet. Neither was ever built. But they show just how far architects have been willing to dream. Number 1. Jeddah Tower, Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. So what could possibly beat the tallest building on Earth? Meet Jeddah Tower, currently unfinished, standing at 2,192 feet as of now, but designed to eventually reach roughly 3,300 feet. That's a full upright kilometer. If you want to picture that distance, pull up Google Maps and measure a kilometer near you. Then imagine that entire distance standing straight up. Designed by Adrian Smith, the same architect behind Burj Khalifa, Jeddah Tower will include an exclusive terrace at 2,000 feet with a direct view of the Red Sea. It's not finished yet, but when it is, it will redraw this entire list. From a hidden shopping mall inside a skyscraper to an unfinished, kilometer-tall giant in the desert, humanity's race to build higher keeps getting bolder. Did any of these give you vertigo? Let us know in the comments. If you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe to Infinite Facts for more deep dives into the world's most amazing structures. Stay curious.